Loosen the grub screw on the cable gland cover. Using a 14mm spanner, unscrew the cable gland and push back the seal. Release the top of the lamp holder by pulling out the locating pins and remove the wires. Take out the isolator. Loosen the grub screw and unscrew the base of the lamp holder using pliers or an impact gun. Screw the base of the lamp holder into the cap and tighten the grub screw. Put the isolator into the base. Put the black live wire into the live pin and the white neutral wire into the neutral pin. These are labelled on the lamp holder. Click the lamp holder into the locating pins. Put the seal into the cable gland and tighten it. Place the cable gland cover on and secure the grub screw. Finish assembling the light by putting the seals in place.